I just want to add a little bit more enjoyment to our camping experience. So many years ago I invested in a Dutch oven. There's a couple of different meanings for Dutch oven. One is if you pass wind and cover your girlfriend's head with the duvet, that's effectively a Dutch oven. This is also a Dutch oven, and basically what this is just a cast iron pot which you hang from a tripod that could be made out of wood over a fire. With this particular model, you can adjust the height of it by putting the chain up higher, and also by extending out the tripod legs. But ultimately this is used for cooking food, obviously, and you can make some fantastic stews in it. And what you do is you just take meat and vegetables, chop them up, throw them in there, put in some stock, some salt, some pepper, some water, and hang it over the fire for an hour and a half. Keep an eye on it, give it a stir from time to time. They're magic. They really do a really good job of making some fantastic food. I sometimes boil water in mine and use it to make rice or spaghetti. The other thing is, that's quite important, is you need to season these to make them non-stick. And what you do is you smear lard around the inside of it, and you get it really hot. You just put it straight in the fire. Another thing you can do with these is cook bread in them as well, and I've done that a few times. But it's really a really good bit of kit and really useful, and it can add a very hearty and healthy meal to your camping experience and keep a lot of the crew happy. Anyway, as always, thanks so much for watching. I hope it's been interesting, and it's been great for us to be able to share, or me to be able to share, my camping experiences with you guys as well. Cheers all.